Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome guys to today's lesson. Today we're gonna talk about how we can make good and beautiful presentation using AI. Guys, making presentation and slideshow using PowerPoint needs a lot of effort and time. To avoid this time wasting and effort, we can use from AI website by the name of Slide Make AI. Slide Make AI is a simple website for making and generating slideshow. So in here, right click on this website. So guys, it has a simple interface like this. You can sign up in here. It give you two input box in here that you can select your topic and number of slides. In here I'm gonna select my topic. You can select anything that you want to make slide of it. In here number of pages. Look guys, it allows you just 10 pages because you are not logged in. If you logged in, you can have more than 10 pages as well. So in here you can have your language. You can select your language. Which kind of language do you want to select? If you want to select the English, French, German, Hindi, Russian, or etc. So I'm gonna select English in here because I want to make a slideshow in English language. After that, you can have placeholder images. If you want to add images with your content, you can check this add placeholder images. After that, you can have include references. You can have the book and the author and publisher of the content that you are using in your slide. After that, you're clicking on make presentation. Look guys, it is creating your slide, just it takes some times. So here we go guys, finalizing your presentation and searching for placeholder images. After that, our slideshow will be look in here. We have successfully generated our website which with beautiful placeholders. So look, it's looking very easy and nice, and it is not wasting your time. So you can have more features in here. Just click on download. You can select theme, font, and template, which theme that you want, whether you want plain, reliable, serene, pro, playful, or etc. I'm gonna select reliable. And font, which kind of font do you want? Arial, Courier, or Georgia Impact. I'm gonna select this one. Georgia is better. Template, it shows the location, that where do you want to locate your text and images. I'm gonna locate them at the left corner, and after that you should click on download to download your PPTX or PowerPoint file. So in here it is going to build our PowerPoint template. It takes some time. After few minutes or few seconds, it will download our slide. So here we go guys, we have successfully downloaded our slide. Just right click, enable editing. So look guys, it's looking nice and beautiful. So that is it for today guys. For our more videos, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.